over these. I just spent a lot of time on this one. And these, but look at this. I don't know what this is. I know what it is, but I'm just saying it took me a long time to clean this sucker. Disgusting. Anyway, yeah, I don't know what these are. It's like I need to cut these chitlins in half. Is this the whole stomach of something or what? Because these chitlins need to be cut in half.
And they don't stink.
Okay, and they don't stink at all. There's no smell. Now this kind of look like a stomach, I guess. Look like my stomach. Okay, so I'm gonna start and clean this. So you take a corner, any corner.
Can I do it?
No, you can't do it. You don't know how to do it, but I'm showing you today how to do it. So you're gonna take a corner like it's a piece of paper, and you almost what sticks together. You have to peel it apart. No, I'm saying other than chitlins. That would be a good trivia question. Okay. So you have two parts here, if you can see. I've got this part. This is the chitlin, and then this is the garbage. Okay. So I'm literally pulling that off. It's not easy, but you have to be gentle, and you have to literally just pull.
Why? Because you'll rip it.
Yeah, it'll rip. Yep. My daughter said it'll rip. So now here we go. We're going down. Now we don't know how much we're gonna get, but now we're paying attention to see if we get everything, because otherwise you had to go back over them. So now if you pay attention, I'm kind of using my fingers and hands to go over the whole chitlin. Now I'm using my thumb, my finger. This is coming to a tip. I pulled that off. Now I'm keeping the chitlin balled up in my hand over here, and I might be moving too fast. But literally, this is not easy. It takes practice. And you have to know what you're doing. And that's why I'm making this video. It's like, I don't know how to clean chitlins. I personally don't think you should buy chitlins unless you're going to clean them. This is not easy. But it's not hard. It takes practice and patience. And you have to be a really patient person. And for you to cook this and clean this, you're either going to clean this for money or you're going to clean these for love. And so I love my brother. I'm cleaning these for them too, because nobody else eats them. And you see, I'm going along this shit. You see why I'm talking? But I'm not just talking, I'm working. I'm literally, and even if it seems like I'm going aggressive, I'm really not. I'm really being very patient to get all of this off of every chitlin. Okay? That was that portion. Now we still on the same chitlin. But it is what it is. So I'm still pulling. Okay. Now, that should have been this. I need to look at this and see. Is this the shape of that thing that I just... Almost the same shape. This is the garbage. This almost looks just like what I just held up. Now, this is how good I am. This is garbage. It's like a bra. It's not a bra. This is the chitlin. Garbage. Now, where's the chitlin I just cleaned? This is, I held this up before. Here it is. Hold on. Let me see. Here's, what is that? About to be on my way. Okay, close that, Ziggy. Oh, it's closed. Now, this is the chitlin. This is the chitlin. You keep all of this. This is the good part. I pulled off the bad part, okay? Now, here's another different shape chitlin. Look at this. Looks like a sock. I don't know what it looks like. But the same thing applies. So I'm going to turn it inside out because I know that part is the chitlin. And then I'm going to find a corner. So you're going to pay attention, really close attention. I found a corner and I'm pulling the chitlin one way and I'm pulling the garbage off another way.
Oh yeah, those look like guts.
They are. Yeah, they are. Yeah. Okay, so I'm going slow and gentle. Slow and gentle. Slow and gentle. But you're pulling. You're pulling. And I'm hoping you can see this. Well, I'm not promoting this, trust me. I'm putting this on here because people don't know how to clean chitlins. And what I like to do, I don't like to go further. I like to stay right on my chitlin where it's at. If it gives me complications, then I just stop what I'm doing and focus on that part that's giving me a problem. And there we have it. That's a clean chitlin. I cleaned the whole chitlin.
And where's the fat?
So now this is a clean chitlin. It still have to be washed, but I cleaned the chitlin.
But put the fat in there, I mean the trash out.
That's the trash.
No, that looks like a real gut that's squeezed. Oh no, what do they do with the blood?
I don't know.
Then they supposed to keep it with the guts to show that.
No, I don't know. I gotta get to the grocery store before 3 o'clock. These is too many to be clean. He need to come in. He gonna have to clean some. I'm gonna see if he know how to clean. Because if he don't know how to clean them, I don't know what's gonna happen. See, I can clean them fast, but some of these, they is terrible. Terrible.
Oh, wait, do they? Is this something? Can you eat a heart, a pig heart? It smell like this.
Put it down. Go wash your hands. You act like you like it.
I don't like it.
Okay, put that down there. That's not turkey.
This look like turkey though.
Out there just doing that. Washing his truck. Oh my God, that man, he is. If you met anybody self-absorbed, that's my baby. His ass out there washing the truck.
This one like you.
Oh my goodness, he is a mess.
Oh my, it feel totally different.
He should be here help.
My these feel totally different.
I'm chilling. These hand hugs. We need help.
This is on eBay mode. Need the rip off chitlins.
These the rip off. They got these off eBay.
They got the rip off chitlins.
Right.
No stank or nothing. Only way you see
right.
Like pee.
Now.
Like pee.
Oh, man. He out there washing his car and I'm in here cleaning chitlins. Girl,
Like
bye.
19 years. Bro, why you so cracky today?
Oh, that's funny. Oh, I did eat one of them gummy bears.
You ate
Well, he got some on.
You ate some edibles?
I ate one gummy bear. That's my plan. Right when I'm having a hard time with these chitlins, because I'm like,
But they got these chitlins on eBay. It don't stink. It smell like pee. And This the white meat or the pig?
That's a hog dog. That's not a chitlin. That's what you feel is important.
These smell like pee-pee.
Okay. Ooh, that was a rough one.
Don't forget you got clean one.
No, everything I throw in there is clean.
Remember that one time you said I gotta.
That was a hog mug. That wasn't a chitlin. Okay, what time is it? I gotta run to the store. Okay. So that was the cleaning chitlin video. Go ahead, turn it off.
They smell like pee-pee.